Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about IoT concepts. There are some contents and now we are going to cover the basics of IoT. So, first you should know about IoT definition. What is mean by IoT? IoT stands for Internet of Things. A network of physical things that are embedded with software, electronics, network and sensors that allows these objects to collect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet. Then what is mean by network? A network is collection of computers and servers which are connected to another for sharing the data. And what are the physical things? Physical things maybe peoples, animals, objects, places, etc. Okay. Next, the Internet of Things is a network of smart devices that connect and communicate via the internet. Actually, IoT is connectivity of devices which collects and exchanging information through software. For example, cameras and sensors which senses of things like light, distance, sound and movement. Okay. Diagram. This diagram shows the symbols like worldwide, television, Wi-Fi, cloud, location, etc. Okay. The Internet of Things or IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. Okay. Actually, IoT is an ecosystem of connected physical objects that are accessible through the internet. Okay. Next, history of IoT. Kevin Aston. Kevin Aston called as the inventor of IoT and he were invented in 1999 at MIT. Kevin Aston, known as the father of IoT, father of IoT. Next, why IoT is important? Why IoT is important? IoT wants to connect all potential objects to interact each other on the internet to provide secure comfort life for human. Internet of Things makes our world as possible as connected together. Means nowadays we almost have internet infrastructure wherever and we can use it whenever. So IoT tries to establish advanced connectivity among these mentioned devices like MP3 players, traffic lights, microwave ovens, washing machines and dishwashers, GPS. Next, advantages of IoT. Internet of Things facilitates the several advantages in day-to-day life in the business sector. Some of its benefits are given below. First one, efficient resource utilization. Means we definitely increase the efficient resource utilization. Second one, minimize the human effort. IoT devices are interact and communicate with each other. That's why they minimize the human efforts. Third one, save time. IoT reduces human efforts. Okay, means definitely saves out time. Fourth, enhances data collection. Enhance. Enhance means to progress or develop the collection of data. And last one, fifth, improve security. Means we can make the system more secure and efficient. How IoT works? There are four major components of IoT. First one, RFID. Second, sensor. Third one, smart technology. And fourth one, nanotechnology. RFID stands for radio frequency identification, to identify and track the data of things. RFID is mostly used in electromagnetic fields to automatically identify and track the data objects. Next one, sensor. Sensors are used to measure physical quantities such as temperature, light, pressure, sound, etc. Means to collect and process the data to detect the changes in the physical status of things. Third one, smart tech. Smart. Okay. Smart stands for self monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology. This smart technology is used to protect and prevent errors in hard drive, to enhance the power of network by evolving processing capabilities to different parts of the network. And last one, nanotech means nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is also important term because it is useful to eliminate diseases, disabilities and illnesses, means diabetes, malaria, etc. To make the smaller and smaller things have the ability to connect and interact. And last one slide. There are some top companies those are working on IoT platform like Intel, Samsung, Cisco, SAP, Microsoft, Google, Oracle, IBM. Okay.